Hi, Sam. Just looking at your code here. Your website looks pretty good. Um, there are some indentation problems, sort of, with the code. I mean, within your main, you have a section which is indented, but this should be indented inside of your section. So we can highlight that, push tab, get it on the same level. Actually, I think this might be even indented one too far. All of these are. They only need to be indented one time. This is just a small thing, but it's nice to keep the code organized. This needs to be indented. Let's see, at least, oops, to there, because it's inside the main. And then this H2 isn't in a section, neither are these images. I mean, you can easily, oh no, you do have a section, I just didn't recognize it. I'm not sure if there's a closing section tag to your first section. Yeah, I'm not seeing one. So you would just need to do like a closing tag to this first section here, which I think ends here. So we just need to do that. And then you have a new section here of photos. And then we just need to indent these, I think. Yeah, so these just need to be indented. This needs to be indented all the way. And then footer, you know, we can do this with the footer if we want to. It looks a little bit better. Main and body HTML. Okay, yeah. Everything else looks pretty good as far as I can tell. Your navigation is working correctly. Let's look at your contact page. Your Google fonts in here, which is a nice little touch. You have a body tag here, and I don't see the end body tag or HTML. So, I mean, we could add that in. I think the contact page is missing that. You do have your footer. You probably want to make this maybe a P tag just to keep it consistent. And this should be tabbed in. And then these could be tabbed inside of the section. And actually this should just be maybe a closing section tag because you only have one section here. You kept it at family. You could have maybe changed it, but so that closes that. You have a main tag here, but no closing main. So probably want to do, let's see, maybe here. So that's, and then we have the section inside of the main. Yeah, and then let's see, header, nav. Everything else is looking pretty good. So some of the semantic elements were a little bit missing ending tags, especially on this contact page. But you definitely got lots of images in there. There aren't any descriptions of the work that you put in here. I was hoping for paragraphs next to the images. Or underneath the images, so you could have just put like P tags. Oops. And then this describes the work. Sorry, my dog is wanting in. And then, you know, you could do that on underneath each of your works, you know, because that's what I asked for on the project worksheet. So that did kind of hurt your grade too a little bit. But overall, it's a pretty nice site. Could have used maybe a little bit more polish, but overall it's pretty nice. So anyway, we'll talk to you later. Bye.